right, students, today we are going to be doing 6.4a. We're going to be adding and subtracting rational expressions. So let's get straight into it. Example number 1, we're going to have 2x over x plus 1 plus 4 over x plus 1. Now, when you're adding and subtracting fractions, what you have to do is you have to have a common denominator. And here we have x plus 1, and here we have x plus 1. So we already have a common denominator. So I do not need to do anything to my denominator. And then I will add my numerators. So 2x plus 4, that gives me 2x plus 4. And there it is. Now, I can simplify that. I can factor out a 2, and I get x plus 2 over x plus 1. If I wanted to, but I don't have to. So those are my two answers right there. Okay. And I don't have to write both answers. But if I wanted to factor it, I could factor it. Sometimes it's beneficial to factor it, as we'll see in this next example. Example number 2. I have 6x over x plus 4 plus 24 over x plus 4. Now the nice thing is my denominators are already the same. So I've got my same denominators, and I add my numerators. Well, they're unlike terms, so they are just 6x plus 24. Now this one I can also factor. 6 is in both of these, so if I factor out a 6, 6x divided by 6 is x, 24 divided by 6 is 4, so I have x plus 4. Now here's where it's beneficial. Here's where it's beneficial to do this, is because now I have 6 times x plus 4, and then I have x plus 4 on the bottom. So because it's times, I can actually factor both these out, or I can cancel them, right? Because x plus 4 divided by x plus 4 is 1. So I'm left with 6. So the real deal here is just once you get a like denominator and you add, then is there a way to simplify? Because 6 is much simpler than 6x over x plus 4 plus 24 over x plus 4. All right, let's check out example number 3. I have 4 over 3x minus 2x over 3x. So, I've got the same. My denominator is the same. 4 minus 2x. They're unlike terms, so I just have 4 minus 2x. And that's it. And that's my answer. These are not that difficult when you have a common denominator already in place. All right, example number 4, we're going to subtract the fractions, but then we're going to factor, which is the key part in this one. X squared minus 2x over x minus 4 minus 8 over x minus 4. Well, the nice thing is I have my common denominators. So I have x minus 4, and now I have x squared minus 2x minus 8. I don't have any like terms. Now, the thing here is I have a trinomial, and so I'm going to factor this trinomial. So if I get factors of 8, I have 1 and 8, 2 and 4. And if I look, I have 2 and 4. Gets me to 2. A bit of a brain fart. So if I'm factoring this out, I have an x and an x, and then I get to negative 2, so I have negative 4, positive 2. And then it's all over x minus 4. Well, look at that. I have an x minus 4 on the bottom and an x minus 4 on the top, so I can cancel those out. I'm left with x plus 2 is my answer. So there you have it. That's how you add and subtract rational expressions and simplify. So there are your examples for today. If you have any questions, and your homework is simply page 187, numbers 1 through 4. Page 187, numbers 1 through 4. Now check in Canvas and just make sure that's the assignment. That is the full assignment. There you go.